Okay, good morning students. Now the next topic which we are taking in the writing skill section is article writing. Article writing, it comes in the board exam of 10 marks. Now, an article is an expression of one's thought on an issue or a subject logically and coherently written in meaning paragraphs. Now, you have seen so many articles in the newspapers every now and then, and there is a format which we have to follow while writing an article in the board exam. So what is the format? The format is that first we have to write down the heading. Whatever topic we have given, we have to write down the heading. Then byline. Byline means the name of the writer who is writing that article, and the next is body. Body means body of the article in which we write down 2-3 paragraphs according to the need. Now this is the format. Here I have written it for you. Heading, next line is a byline, and body can inside body we will have 2-3 paragraphs. Now the first is heading. What is the heading? Should be catchy and in not more than 5 to 6 words. It should not be lengthy, it should be short, and it should be catchy. Now next is byline. Byline, it refers, already I have told you that it refers to the name of the person who is writing that particular article. Then body, it is the main part of your writing piece. Now body, it is the most important part. It is of 5 marks in the board exam. The body of the article writing. Now it is the main part. It generally consists of 2 to 3 paragraphs. Now we will divide these paragraphs according to their importance. Paragraph number 1. It is always prescribed that you begin with a short introduction. Now whenever we start writing an article, we have to first give a short introduction of that particular topic whichever we are writing. Now then briefly what the article is about. In brief, we have to tell that what is the article all about, and to make our article an effective one, we have to give some quotations or startling facts to arouse the interest. If we want to arouse the interest of the readers in our articles, we have to have some quotations. Now, in paragraph 2. Now, this can be written, this either one, paragraph 2, either next paragraph, means after paragraph number 1 we can write down either paragraph number 2 or 1 or 2 paragraph. It is to your choice only. But what is the most important thing which we have to remember here in this paragraph is that you are required to do a complete analysis of the subject matter. Whatever the topic is all about, we have to do a complete analysis of the subject matter in our question. Now the next paragraph, it is paragraph 3. Sometimes it can be paragraph number 4 also. It is the concluding paragraph. Concluding, here whatever the topic was, whatever we started, whatever questions we arose over there in the first paragraph, here we are making the concluding over here. Now it should be short and precise, and it should not be long. Paragraph number 2 should be long, one can be long, but it should be short. And in this paragraph we have to give some suggestions as well as solutions also. So class, this is the way to in which we have to write down an article. We always have to remember the format. We have to follow the format, because in the board examination you will get 1 marks for the format if you will write down the correct format. The content part, it is of 5 marks, and next 5 are divided into the grammar. For the grammar, means grammatical mistakes, coherence of ideas, styles, etc. Now I hope that you all have understood article writing. I'll give you some questions based on this, and hope you will be able to do them. Thank you so much class. See you next week.